This is another good hotel recommendation here in Taipei, Taiwan, which is 3-minute walk lang sa Taipei main station, conveniently located sa mga restaurants, cafes, convenience stores, at katapat lang ay yung mall. May McDonald's sa baba na directly connected sa hotel, may Sushiro sa second floor, may Starbucks just around the corner, may walkable na Watsons at Uniqlo, may maraming local food stalls, at just in front itong Mitsukoshi Mall. It is located at the busy and commercial area just like Ximending, kaya very convenient for shopping and getting your needs. Welcome to Apus Inn. Nandito tayo ngayon sa room namin na nabook sa Klook. We booked this twin room for 2,046 pesos only for 2 persons na, but prices can go up especially on weekends. Make sure to book in advance and use my code KimbalandClook for a discount. So pagpasok mo, nandito yung mini fridge, may safe, tapos they also provide blower and kettle. Kung makikita nyo, pretty basic but still clean. May hangers, may TV, may chair, may air purifier siya kasi wala tayong window na nabook sa room na to. What I love about this hotel kasi they provide bathroom amenities na hindi mo makikita sa ibang mga hotels dito sa Taiwan. Both sides ng bed may mga saksakan. Dito naman sa bathroom natin is hiwala yung shower area at yung mismong toilet. Ang wala lang dito is yung bidet. May dining area at laundry kaya hindi ka na maghahanap sa labas. Silang supplies dito. Soap, pen, sewing kit, glay, nail file. Wow! Dental floss, toothbrush, shower cup, clippers, tea, coffee. So, ito yung coffee nila. Sala. We stayed here kasi only because malapit sa Taipei main station. Di namin alam na ang ganda pala ng location na to.